What am I doing? Something different every fucking time. That's what. And here's the thing, this time is really important. I just had a conversation with a longtime friend of mine, and it was very good because it gave me a lot of material to think about and then convert into this immediately. So, you can do the same thing. So, listen, I am literally showing you what a bird looks like. What is my definition of a bird? A bird is somebody who has a time machine. That means there are some people that simply live in tomorrow instead of the now. Do you see what's happening? You're being sold books that are telling you to live in the now. It's just their ship instead. That's it. There are some people that live in tomorrow. That means that they live in the future. Everything that they do is based off of a vision that they have of the future. And these people are grossly misunderstood, which is okay. People think that you're full of shit because you are full of shit. Because you are living in tomorrow, which means that nothing you say has happened yet. So the reaction is completely and utterly justifiable. It makes perfect sense. The issue is not anything other than lack of understanding. That there are a lot of different kinds of people, and we have fucked up. We have failed in understanding the systems that we use to fucking categorize the different kinds of people are wrong. Completely. So I will make them for you in a book. And if my system is wrong also, I will get shit on. This is what it is. That is what a fucking entrepreneur is. I don't think I'm right at all. I just think about the future. That is a different thing. He said that my shit was words are air. And he's right, because I'm a plane. I'm a bird. He's right. How am I going to communicate my vision of the future with a different kind of human that doesn't live in tomorrow? Through the air. By using vibrations. That's what sound is. So I use my tongue, or I fucking use words. That is what's happening. Don't get it confused. Don't get it twisted up at all. I do not have a big ego. I know all of the things I've already and actually have achieved and which ones I haven't. I do live in reality. How could I possibly see the future if I wasn't standing on solid ground? That makes no sense. And here is the problem that I'm trying desperately to fucking communicate. There are bad birds and there are good birds. There are good people that live in now, and there are bad people that live in now. There are good people that live in yesterday, and there are bad people that live in yesterday. Time matters so much when it comes to neuroscience, and therefore the psyche. I have tested this out because I'm a fucking genius. Because I fucking had a hunch and I was right, because I'm always right. That is, how do I become a confident bird? Think about that. Because there might be a lot of fucking birds out there that aren't as confident as I am yet. And why is that? Because you're not right all the time about your fucking visions and your ideas. That's why. But you have to understand, it isn't hard at all to fucking change that. You only have to work on one thing. And this is my main fucking message that I'm trying to get across. You only have to get better at one thing, really. Either the future, the now, or the past. I am a fucking god of flying because I have hunches, visions. It is the simplest shit ever. This math is the simplest shit ever. I have a vision about the future, a thought about, I think about the future, and then I act in accordance to that vision about the future in order to make it happen and in order to get there. So every step I take in the now is dictated by where the fuck I want to go. I am a bird, which means I am a seer, which means I see the future in my head and nobody else's. So I know exactly where I'm going. That makes me the person that goes first and the person that should go first. That makes me a leader. That's all. If you want to live in the now, in reality right now, go ahead. But you have to get really good at that then. Or you live in the past, which is fucking history bullshit. So get better at learning from the past. But you only have to get better at that one thing if you want to get better at time. That's it. And I am a fucking bird. A good one. So listen. Or don't. I don't give a shit. And I don't dislike or have any contentment for you if you don't believe in my vision. I don't care. If you are grounded and live in reality and you don't believe in my vision, that is your right. But you will be wrong and I will be right every time. That is why I am a fucking good bird. That's it. Because I'm always right about my visions all the fucking time. That's why I have a time machine. I am the time machine. That is my definition of what a bird is. A plane into the fucking future.